Well-designed grading rubrics are essential tools for accurate assessment of student learning. Breaking down grading criteria into clearly defined components empowers both you and your students. For students, it removes the guesswork because they'll know exactly how they're being assessed and what success looks like. For you, it means the achievement data you work so hard to collect becomes more accurate, meaningful, and actionable. With clear, detailed scoring, you can confidently improve your course, track student growth over time, and contribute valuable insights to college-wide decisions. In this short video, we'll explain how to structure your rubrics in D2L so they can feed usable student achievement data into the Brightspace Data Hub. Structuring your rubrics in this way is helpful for data gathering by institutional research, which uses this data to support program reviews, accreditation, and other reporting needs. To extract meaningful data from D2L rubrics, we need to follow a specific structure. Each individual criterion you plan to assess must be listed in its own row, belong to its own criteria group within the rubric. Include the total possible points for that criterion directly in the criteria group title. Avoid stacking multiple items under a single rubric category. For example, don't combine clarity and grammar into one row. Each of these should be separated into its own criteria group with its own criterion underneath. Here's an example of a well-structured rubric. Notice how each component, like thesis statement, 10 points, or use of evidence, 15 points, has its own labeled group and includes both total points and scoring levels. This approach ensures that when a student receives a score, it can be clearly associated with a specific learning objective or instructional target. Each criterion should be tied to an expressed learning outcome or outcomes, or a clearly defined assignment instruction. This connection helps align assessment results with instructional goals and broader learning objectives. To summarize, follow these 4 key tips when building rubrics in D2L. 1 component per group, no stacking. Include the total possible points in the criteria group title. Make sure D2L documents the actual points earned for each criterion. Link each criterion to a learning outcome or assignment goal. By using this structure, you help ensure that student achievement data is accurate, actionable, and ready for analysis. Need help restructuring your rubrics? The Office of Online Learning is here to support you.